Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. I feel like I only have a vlog on Saturday. It's like the only time that I actually get to vlog. It's like the afternoon already and I haven't done much today yet. I woke up really early today. I woke up at 8. But I just kind of stayed in bed till about midday, and then I got ready, went to the shops, hung out with a few people, had some lunch, and I finally bought a chopping board. So now hopefully I can start cooking more at home. Except after I bought the chopping board and I brought it back up, I realized that I don't even have like a proper knife. So I've been cutting everything on a paper plate with a butter knife ever since I moved in. So I've been avoiding cooking at all costs, but now I've got a chopping board. I just need to buy a knife now, like a good knife. And at Kmart today, oh my god, I saw the most gorgeous quilt cover set. It's kind of got that like mink feeling to it. Let me go grab it and show you guys. It is this set here. So you can feel like it is so soft. I am so excited. It's like right now my sheets are pink, but I think it's time for a change, like coming into winter. I just fell in love. So this is the queen size. This was $42, I'm pretty sure. They have a similar one in more of like a flannelette sheet, and I think that one was 32 or 38. But I just thought like, this is amazing. Like it's just something that like you want to just jump into bed and snuggle up in. Waking up in the morning is going to be hard when I put this bad boy on. I just can't wait though. And it's, again, it's grey, so it's gonna match like the neutral colors in my room, which are like basically white and grey. Like it's just a bit darker than my headboard. I'm so excited to use this. You have no idea. For the rest of the day, I am just going to clean my room. The rest of the house is pretty clean. I just really need to clean my room. Like it is a disgusting mess. So I might just film that today, just a little clean with me, I guess. My room just gets so messy. I guess it's because it's like my central space. Like I do everything in my room, and like, I don't know, I just throw things everywhere. I'm really bad at like putting things where they belong after I've used it, just because I'm always in a rush, especially in the mornings, because I never know what I'm gonna wear. I pull like 1,000 things off the hanger and I never put it back on because I'm always in a rush in the mornings. I've got a lot of clothes just sitting on the end of my bed. And I'm thinking about like washing this and putting this on now, but I'm just a bit worried because it's not that cold yet. So I might just leave it for now, but I can't wait. Okay, so I just read the care instructions. It says, warm machine wash separately before use, do not bleach, line dry in shade, maybe tumble dried warm. Because I was really worried that I wasn't going to be able to put this in the dryer. Just because I live in an apartment, it's really hard to hang up big sheets and stuff outside because I don't have that much space. Like my clothes area is really, really small. So that's good that I can put this in the dryer. Guys, I am so excited to use this. In the last week that just went by, I ordered a whole bunch of Colourpop lipsticks. I've lost a whole heap of the ones I already had. So I've reordered Dopey, and I think all the rest were new colours. I may have got another Beeper, I'm not sure. I'm wearing Beeper now. It's obviously like my all-time favorite. It's the only color that I wear all the time. Like Beeper and Bianca are like top 2. So yeah, I've ordered another whole set of Colourpop lipsticks. So I will be filming an updated Colourpop lipstick swatch for you guys. The #1 video on my channel was the Colourpop lip swatch video. I think it's gotten over 50,000 views, which is like, that's big for me. I'm gonna just start cleaning, I guess. Please don't judge. I don't have a small bin in my room, and I know this is gonna sound really lazy because like the kitchen bin is literally just outside the door. But I've just got a lot of baby wipes, makeup wipes everywhere. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Okay guys, so today is now Sunday. The intro that you just saw was from yesterday. After I filmed that intro, I literally went into bed for 2 seconds and I fell asleep for 3.5 hours. So my room is still looking like a tornado hit it. This is probably the worst my room has ever been, to be honest, but luckily it won't take me that long to clean because it is only small. So I'm just going to pump some music on, take you guys along with me and change up this bedroom and get it clean so then I can have like a peaceful mind for the rest of the week. died while I was cleaning, and it's been a few hours now. I pretty much finished cleaning my room. I just need to vacuum. Most of it's done. I just put on a little bit of makeup and went grocery shopping. About to go out tonight. So yeah, I curled my hair. I haven't curled my hair in a long time. I don't know, like, just I've seen girls with like short black hair and it's like nice and wavy, but when I do it, it just doesn't look nice like I want it to. So I ended up doing like the half up, half down thing out of my bandana. And I am still wearing just like that plaid shirt that I was wearing before. I added like gold chain, hoop earrings. My makeup is not like the best. I haven't done like eyeshadow in a while, but I'm wearing the Huda Beauty palette. I can't remember, what else did I use? I think Modern Renaissance, and the gold is from the Fenty palette. Lipstick is Colourpop Frickin' Frack. I've put on like 4 different types of lipsticks with this look and I just didn't like any one of them, so I settled for this one, which I think it's okay. It kind of matches. I'll show you guys my bedroom quickly. So everything's just been like straightened up and put away, and my desk is all clear. Just about to hang a load of laundry and probably get moving soon. So I like last minute decided that I want to change up my bedroom because I'm kind of like sick of it now. I'm gonna hang these 2 canvas prints up over the bed head, switch out those 2 pink cushions for this color, and then I'm going to change out this throw to a burgundy throw, and then hopefully that will just like autumn up everything in here. And then I need to unpack the groceries I bought. I still need to hang the clothes. They're still like chilling in the washing machine, but yeah, that's the plan. Okay guys, so I just switched up the bedroom a little bit, added the burgundy cushions and the throw, added these 2 canvases on top of the bed. If you're doing this yourself, I totally think that you should get like a spirit leveler or like some sort of ruler or something and measure it. I didn't because I don't have one and I'm too lazy, and I just wanted to get them up there so they're like a little bit off, but you can hardly tell. But yeah, I think that's like a good introduction into like winter is coming. I'll eventually change out my pink quilt cover set to that new grey one that I got when it gets a little bit colder at night. But yeah, so far loving the colour scheme. Struggle is real. So I just bought this knife and kitchen scissor set because I have no scissors and I have no cutting knives. Like, I've been cutting everything with a butter knife. Yesterday I bought a chopping board and I thought it was time to buy knives because I didn't get time to yesterday. So I bought them today, and now I'm like struggling because I need scissors to open this, but these are the only scissors that I have. So I don't know how I'm going to get this open. This is really annoying. Why didn't they think of this? I don't know why, but every time on the weekend I always have a nap, and I literally just fell asleep for 2 hours just then, like so unproductive. During the week, like I feel so tired, but I'm never that tired to have a nap. But on the weekend, like I don't know, like it's like my body just can't take it on the weekends, and I just like fall asleep for hours without, like, I don't even mean to fall asleep for that long, but it just happens. And I woke up and it was so cold, so I just snuggled in bed. And like, this is the thing, like when I fell asleep on top of the bed. Like I literally just fell on my bed and fell asleep because I was that tired. So I don't know, I think it's like something in my diet because I haven't eaten all day, and I never usually eat on Saturdays and Sundays until dinner time. I'm guessing that's got like a really big part to do with the whole being tired thing. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean my kitchen a bit now and start cooking dinner. I'm gonna make some spam and rice, my all-time favorite cheapo meal to make. Love it.